Everything in the world is under a perpetual transformation. Ore is turned into steel. Steel into tractors. Oil is turned into fertilizers and fibers. And that is how the whole human energy is directed towards the production of goods. And everything must be transported from town to town, from one country to another, from a continent to another. The planets, oceans, rivers or channels are the linking paths, while the harbors are the gates through which the transport vessels come and go. And thus for thousands of years, ships have been sailing on the seas like camel caravans in the deserts, representing a cheap and safe means of transport. Man has always been concerned with navigation, but today he approaches it by the modern means science can provide. Still, the secrets of an efficient transport by water are hard to be conquered. It is science that enables man to find new ways of development. This requires well-trained specialists, and Romania has a lot of universities, preparing them for various fields of activity. Among these, the university in Galați has been training hundreds of competent engineers for the shipbuilding industry. The teaching staff has specialized in countries with tradition in the field. The fundamental and applicative researchers provide solutions for high-performance shipbuilding. The Research and Design Institute for Shipbuilding, I.C.E, is a Romanian authority in this domain. In the hydrodynamic laboratories of the Institute, natural phenomena on reduced scale are simulated on ship models. The studying and testing methodologies are those practiced by shipbuilders all over the world. For example, those of the International Towing Tank Conference, ITTC. Ships' dimensions and lines, as well as the component parts, are optimized on computers. Perforated tapes are provided for hard plate cutting by means of numerical controlled machines. Progress implies each specialist's effective contribution. Best mounting solutions are studied on models and then applied on full scale. Ship construction and trials are carried out under the Classification Society's supervision, thus a high quality being guaranteed. The ships may be classified under any register of shipping at the owner's request. This enables our research institute, on the basis of a long experience, to provide valid and efficient technical documentations to the shipyards. Romania, a European developing country, has now a modern shipbuilding industry. The Romanian shipbuilding industry includes 8 shipyards, 3 marine equipment factories, a research and design institute, and a foreign trade enterprise. The head office is in the town of Galați. Modern technologies are used in our shipyards. These steel plates are treated on the surface, cut by means of numerical controlled cutting machines. They are then assembled in sections and blocks. These sections and blocks are first painted, and then the hull is mounted on the dry dock. Ship piping systems are prefabricated by means of a mechanized technology using scaled models. The building of the ship takes a minimum time, and the launching takes place within 3 to 4 months from the beginning of the deck mounting. The ships are fitted with high-quality equipment, either made in Romania or from other producers, preferred by the ship's owner. The propeller units, for instance, are made by the propeller factory in the town of Galați. The deck machinery. The electric equipment and various types of pumps are made by the marine equipment factories in the towns of Galați and Constanța. The diesel engines, covering a wide power range up to 30,000 horsepower, are made in the town of Reșița. Also produced there are power units and reduction gears for the propulsion units. The ship hulls are made of high-quality steels produced mainly by the steel factory in the town of Galați. A wide range of sea and river-going ships, as well as technical purpose and service ships, are built in our country. Here are some examples. Oil tankers, cargo carriers, roll-on, roll-off vessels, drilling platforms, and passenger vessels. The Romanian shipbuilding industry is now able to provide various types of vessels and floating installations. Our keeping up with the world market demands has made it possible for the Romanian shipyards to gain experience and to cope with the sophisticated requirements of the owners. Let's take, for example, the oil tankers. Here is an up-to-date oil tanker of 150,000 tons deadweight built in the Constanța shipyards. In fact, our shipbuilding industry produces a wide range of such ships from 5,000 to 150,000 tons deadweight. A new type of oil products carrier of 35,000 tons deadweight is now being built. Tommy's is the first ship of the bulk carrier series. We offer 18,000 to 140,000 tons deadweight bulk carriers for the transport of bulk cargoes, such as ore, coal, grain, etc. A new type of bulk carriers is the 70,000 tons deadweight Panamax type vessel, equipped with a reduced fuel consumption engine of the latest generation. It is a very efficient modern ship. Cargo carriers intended for the carriage of packed products, industrial goods and containers are built over a wide range of sizes. A typical example is the 15,000 tons deadweight multi-purpose cargo vessel with a low-speed engine, highly efficient in service. And here is the 7,500 tons deadweight cargo carrier. Roll-on, roll-off vessels. Ferry boats are also built in our shipyards. Various types of passenger vessels are available too. The harbour services require special equipment, and for this purpose we can offer suitable up-to-date means. There is quite a wide range of harbour tugs of 2 times 350 horsepower to 2 times 6,000 horsepower available. A large number of ship types intended for river transport are built. For example, the push boats of 2 times 300, 2 times 600, 2 times 1200 and 3 times 1200 horsepower. Maintenance of the navigation channels is carried out by means of adequate equipment such as bucket dredgers, suction dredgers and barges. Harbour fire protection is ensured by the firefighting ships. Various types of floating docks are built in our shipyards. Offshore operations are also a main concern of our shipbuilding industry. For this purpose, offshore drilling platforms supply vessels. Oil well stimulating vessels have been designed and developed. On the basis of our own research, the deep-sea mooring buoy for the 35,000 tons deadweight storage tanker was made by our shipbuilding industry. high-level repair works are carried out in our shipyards for the benefit of the customers. The shipyards in the towns of Constanța, Tulcea, Brăila, Giurgiu, Turnu, Severin are provided with special repair work facilities. This is a 4,800 horsepower seagoing harbour tug launched by means of the powerful synchro lift at the Tulcea shipyards. For any information or inquiries you might be interested in, do not hesitate to contact NAVIMPEX, our foreign trade enterprise for shipbuilding, whose head office is in the town of Galați.